This teenager makes $100,000 a year pressure washing trash cans. So let's take a look at the numbers. He's charging $49 a trash can and does 200 cans a month.
200 cans a month? Just sounds like another 9-to-5 job to me. If you're lazy just like me, here's a side hustle that you can do without leaving your house with only 2 hours of work. And oh, you just need a Wi-Fi and a laptop to do this. Go to clickbank.com and create a free account. Once you're inside, you're gonna go to the left and you're gonna click on affiliate marketplace. You can choose so many topics, but for the sake of this example, I'm gonna go with home and garden. Pick any product you want to promote. I'm gonna go with this product right here, which is gonna pay me $53 per sale. Click on this blue button, add your account nickname, and click on this right here. Now copy this link. Now this link you just copied is really important, and this is how you're gonna get paid. Next, you're gonna go to pixels.com and then you're gonna type in whatever niche or the topic of the product you're promoting. In my case, it's woodworking. I'm gonna download the vertical videos so we can use them for our next step. By the way, these are free royalty videos, so there is no legal issues. Go to any social media platform and use the videos that you downloaded from Pixel and upload them and create a channel about woodworking. You can do the same thing on TikTok as well. Make sure you upload at least 1 to 3 videos per day from pixels.com. Make sure you add your affiliate link in your profile. Every time someone clicks and buys from the link in your profile, you earn a commission. If you want to learn more about this side hustle, make sure you give me a follow and go ahead and get your free guide, which you can get from the link in my profile.